how to download the Microsoft Word on your MacBook Air. Okay, and okay guys, you'll have to do is go to App Store. Here in App Store, search the Microsoft Word. And after you search the Microsoft Word, you can see here the Microsoft Word. Okay, to download this, you'll have to do is click the download button on the upper right side of this Microsoft Word to download this application. And okay guys, waiting to download the Microsoft Word on your MacBook Air. And now installing the Microsoft Word on your MacBook Air. So wait a couple of seconds or minutes to download successfully the Microsoft Word on your MacBook Air. And that's it. Okay, as you can see, the open button on the right side of this Microsoft Word is now C. Okay, so okay, we have successfully download and install the Microsoft Word on your MacBook Air. Okay, you'll have to do is go to Launchpad and find the Microsoft Word. Okay, as you can see, the Microsoft Word is now here in Launchpad of your MacBook Air. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully download and install the Microsoft Word on your MacBook Air. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below.